Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the presentation with the Untitled section. Make sure the slides pane or outline view is visible so sections appear. Once done, save a backup copy to avoid accidental loss. Next, locate the section header labeled Untitled. It usually sits above a group of slides. Click the small chevron or right-click the section name to reveal the section menu. This first action unlocks the controls you need to rename or remove it. Now decide whether to rename or remove. Right-click the Untitled section header and pick Rename to give it a descriptive title. This preserves slides and improves navigation. If you truly want it gone, right-click and choose Remove Section to delete just the header, or Remove Section and Slides to delete all contained slides. Be careful. When you remove content, PowerPoint will update thumbnails and the outline. Make sure to inspect slide order and restore from the backup if things don't look right. Finish by scanning the presentation. Check slide order, transitions, and timings to ensure removal didn't disrupt flow. Once done, use Slide Sorter View for a quick visual confirmation and play the slideshow to test transitions. If the section refuses to delete, make sure no slides are selected, save and restart PowerPoint, or check for protected content and shared collaboration locks. Those can block edits. Finally, restore from your backup copy if something went wrong, and then reapply any necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.